Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This time we've got another comparison video for you between two of the best proprietary trading firms in the industry, and these firms are My Forex Funds and E8 Funding. We have covered both of them separately, but we're going to match them up and see how they fare against one another. We're going to compare them based on different topics, some general company details, what they offer to traders, and how the community is reacting to their overall offerings. Be sure to stick until the end since we have prepared discounts for both proprietary trading firms for you, but let's dive straight into the comparison. So we're going to start with some general company details. My Forex Funds, they were incorporated in July 2020, while E8 Funding only started operating in November 2021. The incorporation difference is over a year in favor of My Forex Funds, which is also the main reason behind the larger community that they've acquired. Regarding CEOs, My Forex Funds is being run by Martuza Kazmi with his team, while E8 Funding CEO is Dylan Alkami. Both proprietary trading firms are run by successful individuals who are actually doing an excellent job for their representative prop firms. Now, when looking at office locations, both prop trading firms are located in the USA. My Forex Funds does, however, have offices in Toronto, Canada, while E8 Funding is in Dallas, Texas. Now, just to quickly end the topic of general company details, pretty important to state the maximum allocation of capital. This is a pretty essential subject for traders to determine the potential of how much capital they can actually acquire with the respective prop trading firms. So My Forex Funds, they allow traders to work with capital up to $2,020,000, while E8 Funding caps the maximum allocation capital at $1 million. When it comes to funding programs, there are some different structures. Now, you can find funding programs such as one-step evaluation, two-step evaluation, direct funding, and in some cases, assessment management. My Forex Funds offer traders a chance to choose between 3 funding programs, which is the rapid program, that's a unique one-step evaluation, the evaluation program, which is an industry standard two-step evaluation, and the accelerated program, which is a direct funding program. E8 Funding, on the other hand, only offer traders 2 different two-step evaluation programs. The first is the classic E8 two-step evaluation challenge, while the other is an Elevate evaluation challenge. The only difference between them is that the Elevate has a more aggressive scaling plan after you become funded. So a little bit different in their funding programs there. Now looking at the trading objectives. So there are a lot of different aspects that we can go through, but we've just narrowed them down to the most important rules and guidelines when choosing a prop trading firm. As always though, you can go and check out their respective websites and get all the details, but these are the most important factors when it comes to choosing a prop firm. That in mind, since both prop trading firms only share a 2-step evaluation program, that's the one that we're going to be comparing. So starting with profit targets, both prop trading firms have relatively low profit targets compared to the industry's average. My Forex Funds and E8 Funding both have a profit target of 8% in phase 1, 5% in phase 2. Both prop firms also have a maximum daily and maximum loss rule. Now, you are allowed to lose 5% on a daily basis with both prop firms, not that you will, while My Forex Funds has a 12% maximum loss rule compared to E8 Funding's 8% maximum loss rule. Definitely something worth keeping in mind there. The minimum trading days rule for My Forex Funds is 5 calendar days for each phase, while E8 Funding has no minimum trading day requirements. You simply pass when you reach your profit target. However, regarding the maximum trading day requirements, both prop firms have an identical ruling, which is 30 calendar days for phase 1 and 60 calendar days for phase 2. And to end the trading objectives comparison on these ones, we'll go through the profit split each prop firm provides the profitable traders with. So My Forex Funds, they allow traders to start with a 75% profit split in month 1, 80% in month 2, and 85% in month 3 and onward. On the other hand, E8 Funding offers a fixed profit split of 80% to all its profitable traders. Let's take a look at the evaluation prices. So comparing the 2-step evaluation program and their costs, we can see from the start that My Forex Funds is cheaper than E8 Funding. Both prop trading firms share the following account sizes, which we'll go through, the $50,000 and the $100,000 account sizes. Let's go through the prices themselves for the 4 account sizes as well, just so you've got a full lot of information. So the 50K account, the My Forex Funds offers costs $299, while the E8 Funding 50K account costs $338. The 100K account of My Forex Funds costs $499, while the E8 Funding 100K account costs $588. Now, the Elevate account, on the other hand, costs $888. In addition, you can also calculate the final prices with the discounts that can be applied to both prop trading firms that we give you. So, as always, stick it around to the end to make sure you get your hands on that. But those are the comparisons in the prices there. Again, you can see there is lots more different account sizes that one prop firm offers that the other doesn't. Again, as I mentioned earlier, go on the website and have a look in much more depth yourself so you get a full overall view. But those similar and consistent account sizes for both, that's the differentiation in cost. Trading platforms. My Forex Funds allows their traders to choose between the following two trading platforms, which is MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. E8 Funding, on the other hand, only allows traders to choose MetaTrader 4 as their trading platform. When it comes to brokers, they are also very different. My Forex Funds use a broker called Traders Global Group, which is their own personally developed broker, which we have gone in depth with before. On the other hand, E8 Funding is partnered with a tier 1 liquidity provider that allows them to access the market directly. So a little bit different in terms of trading platforms and in terms of trading instruments. On My Forex Funds and E8 Funding, they allow you to trade quite a wide range of trading instruments. They both allow traders to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. However, in addition to those, E8 Funding also enables you to trade equities, as you can see in the table. Now that we've gone through both prop trading firms, platforms, and instruments, we'll cover the commissions that you're charged while trading with each prop firm. My Forex Funds, they charge you $3 per round lot for Forex pairs and commodities, while there are no commissions for indices and cryptocurrencies. E8 Funding, on the other hand, they charge you $3 to $5 per round lot for Forex pairs and approximately $9 per round lot for gold. Commissions for other commodities, indices, cryptocurrencies, and equities have variable prices that depend on the tier 1 liquidity provider that allows them to access the market directly. So a little bit different there also in the commission side of things. Another essential aspect when choosing a prop trading firm that's going to be best for you is getting the feedback from the community. It just gives you so much information about the positive and negatives of the prop firm. That's why we'll also compare both firms' Trustpilot statistics. So My Forex Funds, they have a rating of 4.9 out of 5 from an excellent 5,486 reviews at the time of recording. E8 Funding, though, has a rating of 4.8 out of 5, which is very good, but from 148 reviews. Now, look, despite the large difference in the number of reviews, both prop trading firms are legitimate and are some of the best in the prop firm industry. The difference is mainly because My Forex Funds ask their clients to rate the support they receive and that they are more than a year older than E8 Funding. Now, these are the same cases in our previous comparison between My Forex Funds and True Forex Funds. So it does make a difference in incorporation and launch time, and also how much they encourage their community members to provide feedback. So My Forex Funds, probably a step ahead in that aspect. And guys, just to wrap up the important things that we've covered in today's video, My Forex Funds and E8 Funding, they are two industry-leading prop firms. They offer excellent conditions to traders worldwide. The main differences would include the funding programs they offer, since My Forex Funds has 3 and E8 Funding has 2 two-step evaluations. Another minor difference would be some trading objectives. Both prop firms have the same profit targets in both phases and maximum daily loss limits. However, as we discussed, My Forex Funds has a higher maximum loss limit rule. In addition to that, they do also differ in minimum trading days and profit splits. Regarding trading platforms, both proprietary trading firms use their liquidity provider, while My Forex Funds offers MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 to trade on, while E8 Funding allows traders to trade on MetaTrader 4. Both prop firms allow you to trade Forex pairs, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies, while E8 Funding also allows equities. The commission for opening and closing positions is better for My Forex Funds traders, since they only charge you $3 per round lot on Forex pairs and commodities. Commissions at E8 Funding are slightly higher, and some vary depending on their liquidity provider. And the last but also important factor we looked at is the community feedback that each prop firm receives. As you saw, My Forex Funds, they have a great rating of 4.9 out of 5 out of nearly 5,500 reviews on Trustpilot, while E8 Funding has a great rating of 4.8 out of 5, but that is from 148 reviews. Again, those numbers are at the time of recording and are constantly changing. But going through everything both prop firms have to offer, we can safely say that both firms are for sure one of the industry-leading proprietary trading firms out there at the moment, and are fantastic for so many different types of traders, both new and experienced. Thank you as always for watching, guys. Please subscribe to watch more comparisons as well as reviews about Forex proprietary trading firms. Thanks again for your company. See you on the next one.